Are your container plants struggling, yellowing, stunted, or just not growing right? You might be unknowingly starving them. So before we dig in, hit that like button if your plants are family, and subscribe for no fluff garden tips that actually work. Too small pots stunt growth by restricting root space. Roots get bound, can't spread out, and struggle to access nutrients. The fix? Choose pots at least 2 inches wider than the plant's root ball. For tomatoes or peppers, go 5 gallons or more. Bigger container means more room for roots, which means more nutrients absorbed. Plants drown or starve when drainage is bad or when using the wrong soil. Common mistakes? No drainage holes means waterlogged roots, and heavy garden soil compacts and cuts airflow. The fix is to always use pots with at least one drainage hole, and use lightweight potting mix with ingredients like peat, perlite, or coconut coir. Bonus tip: add a bit of compost for a natural nutrient boost. Containers lose nutrients fast. Every watering, especially in hot weather, just kind of flushes those nutrients away. So, what does underfeeding look like? Well, you'll notice yellowing leaves, and sometimes slow or even no growth at all. The fix is pretty simple. Use a slow-release fertilizer when you plant, and then supplement with a liquid feed every 1 to 2 weeks. For heavy feeders like squash, peppers, or tomatoes, don't skip those extra feedings. Oh, and by the way, overwatering isn't kindness, it's actually suffocation for your plants. Here's a quick tip: just stick your finger about 1 inch into the soil. If it's dry, go ahead and water. If not, just wait a bit. Fix these mistakes and honestly your plants will finally thrive instead of just surviving. Got a container garden fail story or maybe a success tip? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear it. And hey, if this helped, share it with a fellow plant lover. Your plants will totally thank you. Don't leave without hitting subscribe because we're just getting growing.